Y'all, this has been going on long enough, y'all. This has been going on long enough. As you guys know, your girl kinda got a lighting situation going on up in here. The lights, as you see, I don't know, it seems like it's not doing it as much now, but the lights are flickering. The lights are flickering in here, and sometimes it makes for not good lighting. If y'all look back at some of my older videos, the lighting is a lot better than it's been lately. So it's been going on long enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that situation first, and then I'm gonna get started with the video.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. Alright, had to close my trunk first, but I'm gonna go ahead. I just bought 4 brand new lights for these light fixtures right here. They're 8 feet tall. You see, y'all was like, dang, I thought you was about 8 feet tall. No, I'm not 8 feet tall, but these lights are. So they're pretty tall. They're pretty up there. So what I'm gonna do is take down these lights that's giving me issues, and I'm gonna replace it with these new lights and hope that it fixes everything. If it don't fix everything, that means it's the balancers or whatever they call them, or maybe even the whole fixtures need to be replaced. But I'm just sick of the flicker, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace these lights. So I'm noticing it seems like it's better, but as you see right here, this one light is still flickering. You see right there, still kind of flickering. I don't know. So this side is still flickering slightly too. If you look right up there, it's still flickering a little bit, but hopefully this is better. Hopefully this is better. I don't know, it looks better. It looks better. I don't know, but they still seem like they flickering a little bit. I'm gonna give them a little bit of time to run and warm up, because with lights like this, sometimes, you know, you gotta let them warm up a little bit. But hopefully they'll be better. Let me see. I don't know. It still seems like it's kind of flickering. It could be a little bit more serious than I thought. Okay, it's getting better over there. Well, I don't know. Like, it's flickering. Like right there in that middle part right there. It's kind of flickering. Like right there. Hopefully this is better. It seems like it's better. And hopefully they won't be flickering long. Hopefully once they warm up and everything, the juices get the flowing in them and they'll be good. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wrap these up. And I'm going to take them back right quick. I'm going to take them over there, because they told me I could dispose of my lights in their dumpster, because I don't have a dumpster and I don't want to have to risk breaking them, because those are some 8-foot long light bulbs, as y'all saw. They taller than your girl is. So I don't know. Might be a little bit more going on with the lights, as you see. I don't know if y'all can tell right there, but it do seem like it's showing better. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to wrap them back up. And that way I can go ahead and dispose of them, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna talk about what the topic of this video is, because I know that's really why y'all here. Y'all, I I just almost dropped the light bulbs and broke them, y'all. That's why I gotta hurry get rid of this. I can't do it. I gotta get rid of so I won't break them up in here. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna load this back up in the truck, take it, dispose of it. I'm gonna be right back. All right, I'm back. Disposed of all of those bulbs and I'm back. So today I'm gonna be talking about why I sold all my equipment, because everybody had been thinking I'm quitting the business and stuff like that, and I just, you know, really kind of want to explain why I went ahead and got rid of everything. Now, as you guys see, I do still have, and I just bought this cap press, so that should have been like letting people know I wasn't trying to quit. But right there, I do still have this, you know, some of my equipment. I do have the heat press right here. I got the heat press right here. I got the rolling cutter right here, but this rolling cutter is for sale. And I got my 2 printers over there. Still got the vinyl supplies over here. And that's what's looking like in here right now. So I don't know, a lot of people, they was just like, I don't know, I guess people kind of assume. Let me find me a good place to sit down. But people just kind of assume their own things, y'all. Like, I never said I'm quitting. I never said I'm quitting the t-shirt business. I never said, I don't know, I never said I was quitting. I just was like, you know, right now I got to sell some equipment. Now, if y'all watch my first videos, which some of I kind of was not even filming during that time, you know, for some of my stuff. Now, when I first started out in this shop, like if y'all look back at some of my first videos, I actually shared this shop with my mom, because like when I first got it, I was an apartment manager. I thought that I wouldn't be able to afford this place by myself, you know, especially after I ended up having to quit, well, actually getting fired from the apartment manager job that I really wanted to quit. But, you know, because I got kids, I didn't want to be quitting the job and not knowing how I'm going to take care of them. The way that God worked things out was they ended up firing me pretty much for nothing, you know, and I ended up being able to be here more, you know, more time, spending more time here. So with me being able to spend more time here at the shop, I was able to, you know, work and make money here. But I was not expecting it at all, the way that things turned out, the way that God made things turn out, because I know there wasn't nothing but Him. But like with this situation, when I first got this shop, all I had was my 15-inch vinyl cutter. If y'all saw the video from yesterday, you know, with my home setup. And I had a 15 by 15 Hicks Econo press. So I basically had those 2 things, and I had this building right here, and I was running my t-shirt business with just those 2 things. And it's really crazy. You know, that's how I know there wasn't nothing but God in control of that situation. But it's really crazy that I was able to do that, like run a real business at the volume that I was doing at that time with that little cutter that I had. Because once I got that cutter that I have right back here, the 24-inch cutter, and I see how fast this bad boy cuts and how slow the other one cuts. If y'all saw the video from yesterday, y'all know I was complaining about it. I don't see how I was able to even get the work done with that cutter cutting so slow compared to the one that I have right here. Because this one, that one cuts out really fast. But all I had was that 15-inch rolling. You know, I had the 15-inch rolling and I had the 15 by 15 press. And I had, like, I don't even have it in here anymore, but I had like a little Dell laptop that really wasn't much, you know. And that was the way that I used to run things up in here until I was able to upgrade. And like one of the first things that let me know I needed to upgrade was when I started getting bigger orders. And like when I was getting the big orders, and you know, they was of the exact same prints, and it was taking me forever to get them done, and I was having to like get family members and stuff to help and stuff at the time. So I was like, it's gotta be a better way. I mean, how you gonna make it doing 100 shirts with this slow process? So I started doing some research, and I found out about screen printing. I didn't know nothing about the transfers at that time. If I would have knew about t-shirt transfers, I probably would have tried that out. I probably would have went that way in the beginning. But because I didn't know, I went straight into screen printing with the one color press. And I do have a video. If you go to my page, that video that talks about how I started. It's like the video that is like showing on my page if you go to my YouTube channel. But that's basically, you know, how I started and how I upgraded and got to where I had the Vastex equipment. And then now, you know, I had to sell my equipment. And, you know, I can still do shirts because I've done it before with the exact same equipment that I have back there, with that cutter that I have back there. So, you know, that's really the only thing that I had when I first started, and I was able to run a whole business making around $2,000 a month, you know, sometimes a little more, a little less. I probably averaged around, you know, pretty much $2,000 a month at that time. So, you know, y'all can do the business, you know, you got to start somewhere. You can't be having the equipment and not using it and stuff like that, and, you know, just different things. And I don't know what is going on outside, y'all. Let me see. I don't know what's going on outside. Let me try to see what's going on. All right, yeah, but oh, hey, how you doing?
All right, how you doing?
All right.
Yes, ma'am. I have a delivery for you.
Oh, for real? For real?
Yeah. Got two of them. I'll get you to sign it. It's how you spell your name?
S-I-N.
S-I-N.
I-S-S.
That's good enough. Sin's good enough.
Okay, that's what they call me
Let's
anyway.
see. Okay. We saved, and you had two of them, and you can just sign there. It don't matter what
Hit
it looks
apply?
like. Right
Oh,
here.
my bad.
Yeah. That's all it is, Miss Sin.
Oh, my bad. I was about to hit
Yeah, you
apply.
got it.
All right,
You got
all right.
it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hey,
Thank you.
so